DIY or professional help, a guide.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're here to answer a question many of you have probably asked yourselves at some point. Can I do this at home, or do I need to seek professional help? Now, it's important to understand that the answer can vary widely depending on the context. But let's try to break this down as best as we can.
When can I DIY?
There are plenty of scenarios where you can definitely handle things yourself. Simple home repairs, crafting projects, cooking, and basic car maintenance like oil changes are some examples where you can save money and learn new skills by doing it yourself. Of course, you should always do your research and make sure you understand what you're doing before diving in.
When should I seek professional help?
There are also many situations where it's safer and smarter to get a professional involved. Examples include major home repairs and renovations, especially when it involves plumbing, electrical work, or structural changes. Legal issues. When dealing with legal matters, it's always better to consult with a professional to make sure your interests are adequately protected. Medical concerns. Always seek professional advice when it comes to health issues. The internet can be a source of information, but it can't replace a trained medical professional. Remember, it's not about your capabilities but about your safety and the potential risks. If you feel that something is out of your depth, don't hesitate to consult with a professional.
How do I decide?
If you're on the fence, consider these factors. Cost. DIY can save money, but sometimes hiring a professional can be more cost-effective in the long run. Time. Do you have enough time to dedicate to the task? Risk. If things go wrong, what are the potential consequences? Your abilities. Do you have the necessary skills to do a good job? Deciding between DIY and seeking professional help can be a tough call, and it requires careful consideration. The main takeaway here is to assess your situation carefully and make the decision that aligns best with your abilities, resources, and the potential risks involved. Remember, there's no shame in asking for help when you need it. As always, we hope this video has been helpful, and we encourage you to keep those questions coming. Stay safe and happy DIYing!